Microsoft is constantly trying to fix most of the issues that were faced on Windows 11. Welcome to Techielot. Here are the 3 improvements in Windows 11 in 22H2 version. If you like the content, please subscribe to the channel to appreciate our effort. Now, let's dive into the video. When Windows 11 was launched, the drag and drop feature, which is a basic necessary one, was missing. We all were like, "Why, God, why?" But this issue seems to be fixed now in Windows 11. Here, I am trying to add the Opera browser icon to the taskbar to pin it, and voila, it is working fine now. Earlier there was no option to create a customized folder on the start menu like in Windows 10. This feature is available now in Windows 11. For example, if I wanted Spotify and Instagram in one folder, I can now just drag Spotify and hover over the Instagram icon and the folder is created. If I wanted Facebook to be in the same folder too, I can just drag and drop in the folder, and same with other apps. Once you create a folder, you can just open the folder and rename it. Windows 11 now comes with a feature for you to personalize how your start menu looks. To do that, go to Settings, Personalization, scroll down to Start Menu. And now, we can see 3 options on the top of the page. You can choose more pins, which would give more space for your pinned apps, or the default option, which gives equal space for pinned apps and recommendations. Or you can choose more recommendations, where majority of the space would be for recommended apps. Although these are very small changes to be implemented, it is good to know that Microsoft is trying to listen to its users and working to fix their issues. We are expecting more changes and improvements in Windows 11. To stay updated, please subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to get notified. You can also follow us on Instagram for useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.